What is up, YouTube? What is up, family? We have a Patreon request, and we're gonna have une bonne laugh because this is American comedy. I don't know if you guys know who Carol Burnett is, but she's our Florence Foresti. You know what I'm saying? That's who she is to us. She is a legend. She is, I mean, great actress, super funny, hilarious funny. Facially, she don't even gotta say one word, and she makes you laugh. She's like 90-something years old now. She's still going. But anyway, Carol Burnett show outtake. Oh, Tim Conway. Oh my God, Tim Conway is funny as shit too. Oh, this is gonna be good, man. The Elephant Story. I've never heard this one. Never seen this one. But I can guarantee you I'm gonna laugh. I wish English. Oh, can we make it French? I could try, man. I could try. I don't know how well this is gonna work out. Usually, we could do auto translate and we choose French. We'll see what happens. Good luck. Okay, let's go.
See, this elephant had this little dwarf trainer, and just used to put a little ballerina skirt on that elephant. Go around the circle and go, like that. That's why I thought it was so laughable at the time. There's a rumor going around the circus that that dwarf and the elephant were lovers.
She's trying so hard to stay in character. Dan is doing. Dan. What am I saying Dan for? Tim is holding his own. He's trying so hard. She's the greatest right here, by the way. She's another amazing comedian. All right. Oh, this is good.
Elephant squash. Shoot the elephant. I don't know whether it's because of rumor or not, but they were buried together. Great big tombstone.
Oh, man. Oh, here's another one. All right. Oh, my God.
Guess it's not elephants, huh?
No.
Just I was at this freak show one time, and I saw these Siamese elephants.
I can't do it.
They was joined at the end. at the end of their trunks like that. And this trainer would make them stand up on their back feet like that, and they had their trunk stretched like that. Then this little monkey would come out. Walk out there and dance a merengue right out there. I kind of felt sorry for them. They couldn't go like the other elephants when they go. All they could do is just blow and go north. One that sneezes, the other's eyes get real big.
Go on, Mama. You sure that little asshole's through?
Oh man, this is classic. Clearly a take that was cut out. Outtake. Yeah, an outtake. This is the greatest outtake I've ever seen. Oh man. Oh, it's not a job. It is certainly not a job. When you have that kind of fun. These, this show. This show, I watched this show. I definitely have watched this show. It's an excellent show. Funny shit. Real funny. Old, so old. Such a classic. But we don't get to see this. This is the real fun right here. This is the real fun. This stuff that they don't let you see on normal TV because of the mistakes. But, whew, man, that was a good laugh. That was a good laugh. Man, these two together I'm telling you, these two together is magic. Magic. So damn good. I can't believe she's like 90-something years old now. Times. It just flies by. But, man, Tim Conway, that was fantastic. That was absolutely fantastic. That was a good one. Patreon, I don't know where you found this one. This was excellent. So good. It's basically just, the whole thing was 5 minutes of laughing. Oh, that's too good. That's why you want to be in a live audience. When things like this happen, this is why you buy the ticket to be in a live audience. Anyway, Carol Burnett show outtakes. Oh, fantastic. I guarantee there's like 30 more of these. But anyway, because there's no way. These two are too damn funny for this. And him. All of them. There's got to be hundreds of these. And they're probably all funny as hell. But, okay, there you have it. Tim Conway's elephant story. Siamese elephant. All right. Take care. Peace out. Have a good night. That was really good.